The federal EV tax credit. It can make buying new electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles cheaper, but keeping up with which vehicles qualify plus all of the requirements can be daunting. So here's a quick rundown of how the EV tax credit works in 2023. First, here are all the vehicles sold today that qualify for the full $7,500 credit. Note that this represents about 15% of the total number of EVs, plug-in hybrids, and fuel cell electric vehicles currently on sale in the US. And here are the ones that qualify for only half of that credit, $3,750 to be exact. So what factors affect whether a vehicle qualifies for a full or a half credit? Well, here are some rules to keep in mind. Hydrogen fuel cell vehicles qualify for the full tax credit no matter what. There are only 2 currently available for sale in the US, and you can only really fill them up in California. The origin of the battery components is another consideration. For full credit, the battery must originate from North America or one of the North American Free Trade Agreement nations, of which there are 20. Cost is a huge factor too. Cars with an MSRP of $55,000 or less can qualify for the new EV tax credit. For SUVs and trucks, the MSRP must be below $80,000. Oh, and one cool loophole is that leasing your vehicle actually enables the full $7,500 credit. Some manufacturers will actually roll those savings into your lease agreement right at the point of sale. As a car buyer, there are a few requirements of you to exploit that EV tax credit. Number 1, you'll have to file for the credit on your 2023 tax filing, and you must have at least $7,500 tax liability to get the full credit. Your household adjusted gross income can't exceed these amounts. Well, what if you're buying one of these vehicles used? Well, until at least 2032, anyone considering a used electric car under $25,000 could obtain up to a $4,000 tax credit. Cut the income limits we just showed you in half, and that's where you will be able to qualify. For more information on the federal tax credit and how all of this stuff works, Kelly Blue Book is here to help.